how to enable dark mode on Windows device. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to enable dark mode on Windows device. Dark mode changes the background of your computer to darker shades instead of bright white. It's useful at night, helps reduce eye strain, and also gives your PC a modern look. First, open the Start menu on your PC by clicking the Windows icon at the bottom left corner. Now click on Settings to open the main settings window. On the left side of the screen, select Personalization. Then click on Colors. Here, you'll see an option called Choose Your Mode. Click on it, and you'll be able to switch between light and dark. Selecting dark will instantly apply dark mode across your apps and system. If you pick Custom, you can choose light or dark separately for Windows menus and for apps, which gives you more control over the look. Below that, you'll find the transparency effect. Turn this on. And that's it. Dark mode is now active on your Windows device, and you can always change it back to light or custom whenever you like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.